Hi, Bio 11A. This is Carol Hoffman, your instructor, and here we are online again. So I'm really hoping that on February 22nd we'll be able to meet and we'll have labs and it'll be so cool. And we have field trips and we'll be able to get out there and meet, and that's going to be awesome. In the meantime, we're online and I have module 0 for you posted. This is week 1, so you'll have module 1, and I think I've been pretty clear. But there will always be questions, so please contact me if you have a bunch of questions about the book, about how we're doing this, how the course is structured, and we'll be able to communicate online. Gosh, I really can't wait for February so that we can be together again. I think it's gonna be so much better. We've probably even forgotten how, right? How to be together, but I think it's gonna be great. So this is me. And I teach this class. I also teach anatomy here. I've been teaching for a while, and I think we're going to have a good semester. So stay in touch. I'm going to have office hours that are on Zoom, and there you'll be able to chat with me, and I really welcome you at those because I get really lonely, and sometimes I'm just sitting here. So I would love it if you came. I think I'm going to have some points for you to come so that I get to meet you. Looking forward to it, you guys. All right. See you soon. Turn this off.